An elephant and a monkey are the best of friends. They live in the jungle, and they love to have fun. One day they were playing near a river when they saw something amazing. It was a big, juicy mango hanging from a tree just above the water. The mango was perfectly ripe and ready to eat, but it was too far away for either of them to reach. The elephant tried using its trunk to grab the mango, but it was no use. It was just too far away. He tried, and he tried, but it wouldn't budge. Then the monkey had an idea. "I know how we can get that mango," he said with a big smile. "You try and grab it with your trunk, and I'll come over and give you a little push." The elephant liked this idea, so they started trying it together. The monkey ran up to the elephant, jumped on his back, and gave him a little push. But the mango was still too far away. They tried again, and each time the monkey would jump on the elephant's back and yell, "Push! Push! Push!" But no matter how hard they tried, they couldn't get that mango. The elephant was getting tired and frustrated. He didn't want to give up, but he couldn't keep trying forever. Just then, the monkey had another idea. "Wait here, my friend," he said, and before the elephant could ask any questions, the monkey had already swung away into the trees. The elephant waited, and soon the monkey came back with some rope. He handed it to the elephant and said, "This will help." The elephant wasn't sure how, but he took the rope and did his best to wrap it around the mango. The monkey sat on the elephant's head and directed him. "A little higher! A little higher!" he yelled. Finally, the elephant wrapped the rope tightly around the mango. "Now pull," said the monkey. Together, the elephant and the monkey pulled the rope. The mango started to move, but then it stopped. The rope had gotten tangled, and now the mango wouldn't budge. The monkey thought quickly. "Don't worry," he said. "I have a plan." He grabbed the end of the rope and started swinging back and forth, back and forth. The elephant watched as the monkey swung, and then he started to understand what was happening. The monkey was making the rope into a whip. With each swing, the rope became tighter and tighter until thwip. The mango flew through the air and landed right in the middle of the river. The elephant and the monkey looked at each other and started laughing. The sound echoed through the jungle. It was the funniest thing they'd ever done. Then they raced off to find the juiciest, ripest mangoes in the whole wide jungle. From that day on, the elephant and the monkey continued to have fun in the jungle. They learned that if they worked together, they could accomplish anything. They also learned that friendship is the most important thing of all. Whenever they saw a juicy mango hanging from a tree, they would laugh. And remember the time they got the mango in the river? The day the elephant and the monkey became the jungle's funniest duo.